The tools that you need to make pancakes, they are bowl, mixer, frying pan, spatula, spoon, and plate. Meanwhile, the ingredients that you need to make pancakes, there are 1 cup all-purpose flour, an egg, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, unsalted butter or vegetable oil, 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoons sugar, and then for toppings, use maple syrup, honey, chocolate syrup, or jam. First, crack the egg. Put the egg yolks in a bowl, then pour in the milk. Mix well. Then, pour the flour into a bowl. Stir well. Add vanilla, but this is optional. In another bowl, stir the egg whites using a mixer. Add sugar and salt too. Stir until fluffy. After that, put the egg whites into the first bowl. Mix well. Heat a frying pan with medium-high heat. Add some butter or vegetable oil. Scoop the pancakes butter by using a spoon. Cook until it is brown on the both sides, then put it in a plate. Continue till all the pancakes butter run out. When all the pancakes are cooked, you can add some topping like honey and butter. Serve on a plate and the pancakes are ready to eat. The conclusion to making pancakes is pancakes are a delicious and filling dish.